Welcome back. If you're new around here, we're Phil and Jed, and we're travelling around China with our mates Gus and Erika. In this episode, we're leaving Shanghai and taking a high-speed train in business class to Wuhan. We've arrived at Hongqiao railway station, which is connected to Hongqiao International Airport as well. And we're catching the train to go from here to Wuhan. So we're going to be bringing you along today for the ride. What kind of price were the tickets?
It's about like 1,100 yuan.
Okay, so like 260 Australian dollars.
Yeah.
Cool. Pretty good. For that long. Were flights similar price, or how does it compare with flights?
Flights actually cheaper.
Cheaper? What's the benefit of taking the train?
I think train just like you don't need to wait for long.
Yep.
You just come to the station and go. Because train station, like you have to go to the city. You have to be earlier, like 2 hours, and the time you waste a lot on the way.
We are in a business class lounge, and then we're gonna try some goodies, Chinese goodies.
Chinese goodies.
Let's try. Okay.
All right.
It's like smells fruity. Oh shit.
Okay. All right.
Which fruit is this one? Can you read it?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Peach.
It doesn't say peach.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't. It's.
山橙子. It's
This is not.
orange from the mountains.
Do we like it? Yum.
Okay. Try it out. So, welcome to my ASMR. Alright, what's next?
Corns. Oh, these are my favorite.
Is that why you gave me
Look at
everything?
the happy corn. We're gonna
bean.
try. Jed decided this is energy drink.
Okay. Red bean cookie. No. Let's try it out. Okay.
It's very watery, hey. No big fan? Okay, I didn't like it either. Yes, okay, so far. So this is highly recommended. And this one.
Oh, look at this one. Did you like this one?
Nice. Was that your favorite?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it.
What's crazy to think is trains like this are moving around all of China right now, like thousands of them. Just the volume would be insane. And we're just one little bit of a tiny part of the country. All right, we're on the train now.
Yeah, finally. Where's Gus?
Where is Gus? So unfortunately, he was the weakest one. No, in all seriousness, he's just in the other car, just back here. Oh, he's not here.
Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
All right, we're starting the journey to Wuhan. We've just left from Hongqiao railway station. Super excited. Everyone's obviously heard of Wuhan from the last few years, but I've read amazing things about it. Jed's obviously from Wuhan, so excited to get a local showing us. So there'll be some really cool episodes coming up as well that is really going to go into detail about what Wuhan's about.
Let me find Gus. Make sure he's okay.
Do you want to?
Yeah. Gussie, how do you feel? Next station, which is Nanjing Station. So you will have a friend. So now, so far, at least 1 hour, there's no one sitting here. Enjoy your time. In total, it's a 3 hour and 30 minutes trip. We will be in Wuhan 5:30 p.m. Yeah. Okay.
I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out.
Okay, I want to show you the seat features here. So we've got the super comfy chair. It does fold right down. There's a couple of different styles of this seat as well. So there's one which is more enclosed. On the side here, you've got all your controls, so you can adjust everything right there. On this side, you've got a little hidey area where you can hide some stuff. And here, which is the real awesome bit, are all your charging outlets. So you've got adapters for different countries. You've got the USB-C port there as well. Behind the seats is where you can store your luggage. So there's plenty of space there. And then in this area, you've actually got a bathroom as well.
Yeah, I ordered when we were in Shanghai railway station. I ordered so I can choose which station I want food. So they deliver to my seat. So
where does that come from?
because so it's really cool.
We got KFC delivered on the train.
I can choose which station I want food. So Nanjing, Hefei, of course no. So I said, maybe Hefei. So I choose Hefei. There's a lot of restaurant options. So
That's why we were waiting a little bit. They delivered.
Yeah. Let's see.
That's so smart.
China's in the future. China is in the future.
This is my first time try order food on train. Normally the train provide food as well, but you can order from the station, deliver to your seat. I ordered this online, so they deliver to our seat. Yeah, this for us.
放置在座椅碗兜内，不要放置在活动小桌板上，以免前排旅客在调整座椅时打翻开水杯，烫伤自己或他人。谢谢您的合作。
We are approaching Wuhan railway station, which is, I heard it's about 8 minutes away. Wuhan station actually is more in the central of the city. From the station to our hotel is 30 minutes drive. Not too bad. Yeah, so not too bad. And I'm so excited. Welcome to Wuhan. This is the first railway station, so it looks a little bit older than other railway stations. Yeah, and this style is different. I will show you why it's different, because you will see the structure is different. It's really special. I think the designer was French, so it's like more like a European style. So just a passport.
So pretty much your passport's your ticket. So
Yeah,
if you've got a Chinese ID card, you'd use that. Otherwise, if you're a foreigner, you use your passport. Super easy. Is Guangzhou a tier 1 city or tier 2?
1.
This might be my first tier 2 city in China,
Yeah.
I think, because I've been to Shanghai.
No, Suzhou. Suzhou is tier 2. This once you show the bridge, show that building, shows Wuhan. Like in Shanghai, you have the Shanghai Tower.
All right, we've arrived in Wuhan.
Finally.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed our little train journey. How was it, Erika?
Amazing.
Gussie?
Amazing. It was
You were in
great.
a separate cabin. We missed you.
Some good downtime.
Good. Savage.
I love that. Yeah.
Some personal space. Jetty?
Yes, good. I think I fell asleep for a little while. Yeah.
Hey, JD, thanks for the KFC. That was gold.
Oh yeah.
Nice little
So good.
surprise.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. If you've done this route before, let us know in the comments what it was like. Give us a little thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next video in Wuhan.
Yeah.
Bye.